In the previous exercise, we adjusted the brightness and contrast. Okay, so for this last exercise, just make sure you select the chili peppers layer from the layers palette because we're going to be adjusting the colors for the chili peppers. And go up to Image, point to Adjust, and then click Color Balance. So that should open up a color balance box, which you can reposition out of the way so that you can see what will happen to the picture as you're making adjustments. Okay, and so there are three sliders again. One for the cyan red combination, one for the magenta green combination, and one for the yellow blue combination. And watch what happens to the image as I'm dragging these sliders. Okay, you can have more red or less, more green or less, more blue or more yellow. Okay, so by dragging these sliders, you are increasing or decreasing different amounts of these pairs of colors. Okay, now for this exercise, for the red and cyan combination, drag the slider until it says positive 20 in the first box. Okay, for the magenta green slider, drag until you get negative 30 in the middle text box. And for the yellow blue slider, drag until you get positive 20, okay, in the last text box. Remember, anytime you see text boxes, you can actually click and type in values instead of using the sliders. Okay, some people like using the sliders, but others find it much quicker just to type in values. Okay, when you're done, um, and you're happy with the settings, click OK, and that will apply those settings to that layer, the chili peppers layer. Okay, so we've done a lot of things. We've added a border, we've added a background gradient, we've adjusted the brightness and contrast, as well as the color balance, and we're finished Unit B. So the last thing I want you to do is make sure that you save the work. Okay, so go to File and click Save. Okay, and we can go to File, Close, and we can also go File and Exit if we want to exit Photoshop. And your teacher, that's me, will probably ask you to show him your work. So now that you're finished, ask him what he would like you to do.